Hey loves, it's Brianna. Today I'm sharing my nighttime routine with 2 kids. Subscribe if you're new to my channel and click that thumbs up if you love wine or tacos, because that's what's on the menu tonight thanks to HelloFresh, who's sponsoring today's video. I normally set up the kids with a TV show so that I can get dinner started around 5 o'clock. I've been a stay-at-home mom for the last 2 months since I left my job, and it's been fun focusing on my YouTube business to take my mind off of the hard stuff we've been going through as a family lately. And life isn't going to be slowing down anytime soon, so that's why I love HelloFresh as part of our nighttime routine. All the ingredients are delivered right to my door, ready to cook. The recipes are super simple to follow. They're healthy and delicious, and most meals take around 30 minutes to make, so I can actually enjoy cooking, especially with some wine. I have the family plan subscription, but you can switch to try the classic or veggie options too, and you can pick any day you want it delivered. So for $60 off, that's $20 off your first 3 boxes. Visit HelloFresh.com and enter Brianna K60. I could not recommend HelloFresh enough. It's been a lifesaver, especially lately, so we can have yummy and healthy family meals together. And I know without a doubt I'm going to keep ordering HelloFresh now that Landon's going back to school and we have a bunch of activities starting up for both kids in the fall. Landon's going to be doing soccer and Presley will continue doing baby ballet. So once we eat our dinner, Adam will help clean up while I get the kiddos ready for bed. I'm still on solo mom duty because he hasn't recovered from his abdominal injury yet, and he still can't lift anything over 10 pounds. So it's been a lot with everything else going on. I don't want to complain, and I just know this is a rough season. It's really testing me, and hopefully I'll come out of this stronger and tougher than I ever realized was possible. Don't splash the water. No, girlfriend, you gotta wait for mama to put you in, honey. So after baths, it's story time, and I've started to read to both kids at the same time so that we can all snuggle together. And then I will put P down for the night, so I do get to spend a little one-on-one time with Landon before I tuck him in. You think you're a big girl brushing your teeth on your own? Safely guide me through the night. Wake me with the morning light. Say amen. Yeah. Told him.
Whoa! Look in here.
Mr. Fix-It. Fixed our light bulb. We had one that went out.
Yeah. I think Daddy deserves a nightcap after that one.
This is why, Landon, I really think you've been reincarnated from like the time before electricity.
You brush your teeth?
He gets so amazed by anything that's electricity, doesn't he?
Yes, he does.
After both kids are asleep, I do a cleanup of the kitchen. And I know the kitchen might be looking a little bare because I took down all of the summer decorations this week and am getting ready to put up fall stuff soon. And there will be a fall decor tour, so make sure you're subscribed and have your notifications turned on for that. Then I usually get myself ready for bed. So I'll get into my pajamas and do my nighttime skincare routine, which if you'd like to see a more in-depth video on that, let me know in the comments. Then I've usually got emails or editing to do at night, and I always do some calendar and to-do list planning to make sure I know everything that I need to prioritize and tackle for the upcoming week and day ahead. I will also try to respond to as many comments as I can during this time too. One new practice that I started doing after listening to Rachel Hollis's podcast is a gratitude list. Every night I write 10 things I'm grateful for, and all of you are on that list, especially after reading so many nice comments that night in particular. So thank you. Then Adam and I usually watch a show if it's not too late. We just finished Big Little Lies finale. I would highly recommend that show if you haven't watched it. But now we need a new series or movie, so let me know if you have any recommendations. And before bed, I set out my workout clothes and shoes right next to the bed. That way I don't waste any time the next morning, so that I'm up, ready, and getting some quick cardio before the kids wake up. And if you're interested in seeing my morning routine, I just posted that video a few weeks ago as well. And I've had really bad insomnia lately, so the big thing I'm trying to avoid is doing any social media browsing before bed, because that just keeps me up and my mind going. So I quickly make sure my alarm is set for the next morning, tuck the phone away in the drawer, and then lights out. Thank you so much for watching this nighttime routine. Let me know if you have any other video requests in the comments, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, loves.